Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my ColourPop Super Shock Shadow Collection. So back in the day, ColourPop was originally a small makeup brand that only had these Super Shock shadows. These are like eyeshadows in pot form that have kind of a gel slash moussey consistency. So that was all they had, and then from there obviously they expanded into what they are today, releasing collections like every single week. But I'm going to talk about my Super Shock Shadow collection, like I just said, and I'm gonna go over what I like about them and what I don't, which can all be really summed up into certain formulas or certain finishes I don't like. I don't like their matte finishes. I don't really like their satin finishes. I think what works about ColourPop Super Shock shadows are really the glitters, the ultra glitters, the metallics, that type of finish. And the reason I say that is because I think it just works better with this type of consistency versus a matte shadow that you might as well just get pressed and use a traditional makeup brush to apply. Yes, you could apply these with like a synthetic eyeshadow brush, but I just feel like they apply better with your fingers, but not necessarily the matte colors or the satins. I think these make great toppers, or you can put them on their own all over the lid. They're amazing, they're beautiful, and so let's just jump right into the collection. So I forgot to mention that ColourPop tends to come out with so many new products that sometimes they discontinue shades like pretty quickly. I will say they usually bring them back in some type of form, just a different name. So I figure this will still be helpful. Plus, the majority of my favorite shades are still actually available on the website. I just checked. So that being said, we're going to start with the first product, which is Paradox. And it is a matte, which is exactly what I didn't like. I told you about that in the intro. And also, I forgot to mention that a lot of that has to do with the fact that these have like short lifespans, or I feel like the mattes don't last as long. I don't know if it's currently on their website, but they used to have a frequently asked section that someone would ask like, how long do these last? And they said a year. So yeah, the pigmentation is not really there. On my finger, it kind of works, and you can make it work, but like I said, it's a matte shade. I'd rather just stick to a pressed matte shade that's going to be more fuss-free. It is a beautiful color. I just don't think it translates well on my eyelid, nor do I really gravitate towards these colors anymore. I honestly don't know why I purchased this color. It was years ago. So the next color here is Set to Stun, which is an ultra glitter. It's kind of like an icy rose with blue glitter. Absolutely beautiful. I use this either as a topper or over the lid because I don't really mind glitter, and I think it's really beautiful. This is my favorite type of formula, the ultra glitters, the metallics, maybe some of the satins too. We'll get into that a little bit later. But yes, it's beautiful. I just love the way the light hits it, and those little blue reflex are absolutely adorable. So the next color is a matte, and this is Fade In. It's a pretty color. I just, like I said, it's hard to get it to work. I don't like using my brushes with these. These are things that I use more for like gliding on my lid. Otherwise, I would just use like a pressed shadow. And this is one of the slightly older ones, so I feel like it's kind of expired or whatever. I don't know. The next shade is one of my absolute favorites. This is Twitter Pated. It's still available. It is an ultra glitter. It is a metallic light pink with gold glitter. Absolutely love it. I apply this to my lids all the time and just throw some eyeliner and mascara on, and I'm good to go. I've hit pan on it. I definitely recommend it. I'm talking too fast. Now I have I Like You, which is an ultra glitter as well. One that I've barely used, clearly. It is really pretty. I think it catches the light really nicely. It's just, again, I order things and I don't realize that I have so many. So the next one is my absolute favorite. It is Frog. This is a double. I have one that I'm currently using. This is the brand new untouched one. It is an ultra glitter. I can't even describe what this is. It's just absolutely beautiful. It's like an icy silvery purple with rainbow glitter. Highly recommend. This was a limited edition birthday shadow. It's an ultra glitter. Really pretty as well, though definitely not one of my favorites. It has that limited edition packaging. I do like the formula though. Next one is Issa, and it's an ultra metallic. Really pretty. Not sure why I picked it up. I'm pretty sure it came in a kit or like a combo, because I don't see myself picking it up on a whim. I don't really wear colors like this. Super beautiful. If it wasn't for the glitter, it probably wouldn't look as nice, but that little glitter that hits the light, catches the light, looks really nice. And hopefully maybe one day I'll try incorporating it into some type of look or something for going out. So the next one after that is Paisley, which is an ultra glitter. And okay, I'm a little ahead of this voiceover, aren't I? Okay, here we go. Paisley is an ultra glitter, very light. This is definitely more of a topper or a barely there type of makeup look. I do enjoy it. I'm trying to use it more often. because I've rounded up all my ColourPop shadows for the purpose of this video. Prior to that, they were all kind of scattered different places, which is why when I would make an order, I didn't realize what I currently had. Again, really pretty, but it's so light that it works much better as a topper versus all over your lid. I do like it though. It is cute. Yeah, there it is. Barely there. Next color we have is Get Lucky, which is an ultra metallic. Very beautiful. For some reason, this one's just been cracking and falling apart on me. It's one of my oldest ones, so maybe that's why I haven't dropped it or anything. This is a very beautiful metallic. It has some green undertones to it that I didn't realize at first. I thought it was more of like a taupey bronze or something, but there is, it's not showing up on camera, like a slight greenish tone to it, but I don't mind. It's beautiful. Next one is Desert, which is a satin. This is a type of satin I don't very much enjoy. This could very well just be a pressed shadow that just would probably swatch better than what this is. I mean, actually the color payoff is there. It's just not something I use. It kind of has like pinkish undertones to it. Really pretty, but like I said, I don't reach for it enough. I'm going to try to do it from now on though. Next we have Porter. This is a metallic. I think this came in a Kathleen Light collection back in the day, named after her dogs. Very beautiful. I think it's starting to dry up a little bit because I don't recall it swatching very well. Again, a color that I don't really reach for anyway. I think I got it just to get the other shades in the collection. See, it's like barely there, but it's also quite old, so that might be it. Next, we have Midnight, which is a metallic. I do enjoy metallics. It's just some of these are kind of crazier colors than what I go for. This is a really beautiful green. I totally missed. There we go. This is a totally beautiful green. I love the glitters. I love the way it shines. Just haven't used it yet, honestly, to really hit pan on it or anything. And it doesn't, I mean, it's buildable. It's a buildable color for sure. So I like it. And I added a second little layer just to see how much we can build that color. The camera's having some problems focusing. It's a little smoky. This is Kathleen Light, so this came, I think, in the other collection. This is a pearlized finish. I don't even know if they sell this type of finish anymore, but I do enjoy it because it's a much smoother consistency than even the multi glitters. Oh, I'm stuttering. Very beautiful. I hit pan on it. It's a shade that I used a lot when I first picked it up, and then I forgot all about it, and now I'm back to remembering it, and it's really beautiful, bronzy, golden shade. Absolutely beautiful. We have Wienie, which is also pearlized. Really cute. Really cute. It's an ultra metallic true rose gold. I like it. This is really beautiful, and I forgot all about it, and now I'm back into it. This is DGAF, or Don't Give a Fuck. I don't want to get monetized, so I kind of don't want to say that. It's an ultra glitter. Absolutely love this. All over the shade. All over the shade. All over the lid. And then in the middle, if you put frog on it, it's absolutely beautiful. I love it so much. I've definitely going to repurchase that down the line. This is super hardcore. This is a satin. Again, pretty. This has more of glitter than the other satin, so I do like this more because I can definitely top it or like apply it to a different type of shadow to give it kind of a multi-dimensional look, so I do like it. Next we have Bubbly, which is also a satin, but see, this has more of that sheen than the other one does. Really beautiful light pink color. Definitely love this one for an everyday look. I love pink shadows on brown eyes. I think it makes them pop a lot more, so that's one of my favorites. Next we have Lovely, which is absolutely destroyed. Another very old shadow. I don't know if the older they get, the more they crumble. Really pretty color. Don't use it that much because it's a little bit messy, but I do definitely enjoy it. Next, we have, well, let me, another close-up. I'm filming these things not in the same time, so it's just hard to match it all up. But now we have Flux with You, which is an ultra glitter. It's what you're looking at right now. Very pretty. I've used it like 2 or 3 times, but not enough to really say how I feel about it. I don't even think this is available anymore. All these start looking alike after a certain amount of time, if you notice, like when ColourPop comes out with collections. Next we have Polly. It's an ultra glitter. I love it. I've hit pan on it. A beautiful, beautiful pink. I tend to gravitate towards the pinks or like the bronze colors. Absolutely beautiful. It doesn't swatch well for sure, but I really, really love it. Like, definitely one that I would recommend along with like Twitter Pated, Bubbly. They're really cute. Next shade we have is Telepathy. Telepathy. Oh my god. Telepathy. Well, I said that so wrong the first time. This is an ultra metallic. Really beautiful. Again, that weird cracking. It's an older shade. And it has, again, like that green undertone to it. Sorry, that was my phone. Now we have Sprinkle Me, another one that I really, really love. It's an ultra glitter, beautiful. I've had pan on it. It's amazing. Speaking of amazing, we have Amaze, which is an ultra glitter. Don't really use it that often. You can still see kind of the original pattern. It is really, really beautiful. It's just I lose these shades and I lose track of them, and then I'm just like, whoa, when I find them. It does have kind of pink undertone to it, so I'm definitely going to try to reach for it a little bit more. Now we have Cheap Date, which is an ultra glitter. Again, I feel like it has like green undertones. I don't know if the camera picks that up, but really pretty. Don't think it's available anymore. Now we have Birthday Treat, which came out in the watermelon collection. Absolutely beautiful. Kind of a peachy, corally reflect to it. Definitely love it. Absolutely beautiful. And the last one, I don't even want to include it in this video, but I'm going to. It's called Floating. It came in a big like Super Shock Shadow Vault. It's the only one that I'm reviewing from that vault because I can't seem to find where I put that vault, but it came with like 25. Allegedly, they were exclusive shadows to that collection. I don't know if that's true or not, or if they've popped up since then. Really beautiful color. This is kind of like a lime green yellow. Really cute, very unique. So those are all my ColourPop shadows. I think I'm missing like 2. They're at my fiance's house. Doesn't really matter. You get the gist of it. I love certain finishes. I think they're really great. I'll actually have listed down below my favorites just so that it could be a more concept. Just so it could be more. I'll actually list my favorites once again down below, just so you can reference it from now on. If you made it to the end of this video, wow, thank you so much. I really, really appreciate it. And I'll see you guys next time with another video. Bye.